Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Zello app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Zello app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. We just click here in this sign. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on options here. When you just click here on options, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on push to talk buttons here, just click on it. You come to this list, then you click here on Fox button here, just click on it. You come to this list, then all you have to do, just come here to Tailor hair activation to the home and voice. In here can you select it if you want to add high or moderate here or extreme. Here can you select, so that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.